From the HMI Elite official website, navigate to the Marketplace. Choose the desired cycle and download it. Navigate to App Deployment page. Enter the IP address of the CNC and a valid username and password. Connect to the CNC and move on to the next step. Choose Downloaded Cycle from your File Explorer and upload it. In the left column, choose the cycle to deploy and press the Deploy button. The cycles that are already in the CNC and the new one will appear in the right column. Lastly, confirm the deployment. First, navigate to HMI Lite and reload it, pressing Ctrl, Alt and R keys. Then, navigate to the Cycles page and check that you can access and use the newly displayed cycle.